धृतराष्ट्र उवाच धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेतायुयुत्सवः मामका पाण्डवाश्चैव किमकुर्वत Sanjay? Dhritarashtra said, "What did the sons of Pandu and also my people do when they had assembled together, eager for battle, on the holy plain of Kurukshetra, O Sanjaya?" Sanjaya uvacha दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डुवानीकं व्यूढं दुर्योधनस्तदा आचार्यमुपसङ्गम्य राजा वचनमब्रवीत्. Sanjaya said, having seen the army of the Pandavas drawn up in battle array, King Duryodhana then approached his teacher Drona and spoke these words. Pashyaitam Panduputranam Acharya Mahatim Chamum Vyudham Drupata Putrena Tava Shishyena Dhimata. Behold, O teacher, this mighty army of the sons of Pandu, arrayed by the son of Drupada, thy wise disciple. Atra shura maheshwasa Bhimarjuna samayuthi Yuyudhano viratascha Drupatascha maharataha. Here are heroes, mighty archers, equal in battle to Bhima and Arjuna, Yuyudhana, Virata and Drupada of the great car, mighty warriors. Drishta Ketuschekitanaha Kashirajascha Viryavan Purujit Kundibojascha Shaibhyascha Narapungavaha. Drishtaketu, Chekitana, and the valiant king of Kashi, Purujit and Kundibhoja, and Shaibya, the best of men. Yudhamanyuscha Vikranda Uttamaujascha Viryavan Saubhadro Draupadeyascha Sarva eva Maharata. The strong Yudhamanyu and the brave Uttamaujas, the son of Subhadra, Abhimanyu, the son of Arjuna, and the sons of Draupadi, all of great chariots, great heroes. Asmakam tu vishishtaye tani bodhadvijottama Nayaga mama sainyasya samyartam tan bravimi te. Know also, O best among the twice born, the names of those who are the most distinguished amongst ourselves, the leaders of my army. These I name to thee for thy information. Bhavan Bhishmascha Karnascha Kripascha Samitanjayah Ashwathama Vikarnascha Saumadattistataivacha. Thyself and Bhishma and Karna and Kripa, the victorious in war, Ashwathama, Vikarna, and Jayadratha, the son of Somadatta. Anye jabahava shura madarte tyakta jivita nana shastra praharana sarve yuddha visharada. And also many other heroes who have given up their lives for my sake, armed with various weapons and missiles, all well skilled in battle. Aparyaptam tadasmagam balam bhishma virakshitam paryaptam tvidametesham balam bhimabhirakshitam. This army of ours, marshalled by Bhishma, is insufficient, whereas their army, marshalled by Bhima, is sufficient. Anyeshu cha sarveshu yata bhagam avastita Bhishmam eva bhirakshantu bhavantas sarva eva hi. Therefore, do ye all, stationed in your respective positions in the several divisions of the army, protect Bhishma alone. Tasya sanjanayan harsham kuru vruddha pitamaha simhanadam vinadyochai shankam datmau pratapavan. His glorious grandsire Bhishma, the eldest of the Kauravas, in order to cheer Duryodhana, now roared like a lion and blew his conch. Tata shankascha bhiryascha panavanakamo mukha sahashaivabhya hanyanta sashabdastu bhavat. Then, following Bhishma, conchs and kettle drums, tabors, drums and cow horns blared forth quite suddenly from the side of the Kauravas, and the sound was tremendous. Tata shvetairhayaryukte mahadisyandane stitau madhava pandavaschaiva divyau shangau pratatmatuhu. Then also Madhava, Krishna, and the son of Pandu, Arjuna, seated in their magnificent chariot, yoked with white horses, blew their divine conchs. पाञ्चजन्यं हृषीकेशो देवदत्तं धनञ्जयः पौण्ड्रं दद्मौ महाशङ्कं भीमकर्मविवृकोदरः. Hrishikesha blew the Panchajanya, and Arjuna blew the Devadatta, and Bhima, the doer of terrible deeds, blew the great conch, Poundra. Ananda Vijayam Raja Kundi Putro Yudhishthiraha Nakulaha Sahadevascha Sukoshamani Pushpakau. Yudhishthira, the son of Kundi, blew the Ananta Vijaya, and Sahadeva and Nagula blew the Mani Pushpaka and Sukosha conchs. Kasyascha Parameshwasa Shikandi cha Maharataha Drishtatyumno Viratascha Satyakischa Parajitaha. The king of Kashi, an excellent archer, Shigandi, the mighty Kar warrior, Drishtatyumna, and Virata, and Satyaki, the unconquered. Drupado Draupadeyascha Sarvashaha Prithivipate Saubadrascha Mahabahu Shanghan Tatmu Pritak. Drupada and the sons of Draupadi, O Lord of the earth and the son of Subhadra, the mighty armed, all blew their respective conchs. Saghoshodhartarashtranam Hridayani Vyadarayad Nabascha Prithivim Chaiva Tumulo Vyanunadayan. The tumultuous sound rent the hearts of Dhritarashtra's party, making both heaven and earth resound. Adavyavastitan drishtva Dhartarashtran kapitvajaha Pravritte shastra sambhade Dhanurudyamya Pandavaha. Hrishikesham tadavakya midamaha mahipate. Then, seeing all the people of Dhritarashtra's party standing arrayed and the discharge of weapons about to begin, Arjuna, the son of Pandu, whose ensign was that of a monkey, took up his bow and said the following to Krishna: O Lord of the earth. Arjuna uvaja senayorubayormadhye ratham sthapayamechuda Yavad edan niriksheham योद्धु कामानवस्थितान् कैर्मया सह योद्धव्यम् अस्मिन् रणसमुद्यमे. Arjuna said, "In the middle of the two armies, place my chariot, O Krishna, so that I may behold those who stand there here, desirous to fight, and know with whom I must fight when the battle begins." Yotsyamanaavaksheham ya etetra samagata dhartarashtrasya durbuddher yuddhe priyachikirshavaha. For I desire to observe those who are assembled here to fight, wishing to please in battle Duryodhana the evil-minded. Sanjaya uvacha evamukto hrishikesho gudakeshena bharata senayorupayormadhye स्थापया भयित्वारतोत्तमम्. Sanjaya said, being thus addressed by Arjuna, Lord Krishna, having stationed that best of chariots, O Dhritarashtra, in the midst of the two armies, Bhishma Drona Pramukatah Sarvesham cha Mahikshitam Uvacha Partha Pashyetan Samavetan Kuruniti. In front of Bhishma and Drona and all the rulers of the earth, said, O Arjuna, behold now all these Kurus gathered together. Tatra pashyat sthitan partha pitrannata pitamahan acharyan madulan bhratran putran pautran sakhimstata. Then Arjuna beheld there stationed grandfathers and fathers, teachers, maternal uncles, brothers, sons, grandsons, and friends too. Shvashuran suhrudaschaiva senayorubhayorapi tan samikshya sakaundeya sarvan bandhunavastitan kripaya paraya vishto Vishidannidamabravit. He saw fathers-in-law and friends also in both armies. The son of Kundi, Arjuna, seeing all these kinsmen standing arrayed, spoke thus sorrowfully, filled with deep pity. Arjuna uvacha drishtve mam swajanam Krishna yuyutsum samupastitam. Arjuna said, seeing these, my kinsmen, O Krishna, arrayed, eager to fight, सीदन्ति मम गात्राणि मुखं च परिशुष्यति वेपतुश्च शरीरे मे रोमहर्षश्च जायते. My limbs fail and my mouth is parched up. My body quivers and my hairs stand on end. गाण्डीवं स्रंसदेहस्तात् त्वक्चैव परिदह्यते न च शक्नोम्यवस्थातुं भ्रमतीव च मे मनः. The bow, Gandiva, slips from my hand and my skin burns all over. I am unable even to stand. My mind is reeling as it were. Nimittani cha pashyami viparitani Keshava na cha shreyonupashyami hatva swajanamahave. And I see adverse omens, O Keshava. I do not see any good in killing my kinsmen in battle. Na kangshe vijayam Krishna na jarajyam sukani cha kim no rajyena govinda kim bhogairjivitena va. For I desire neither victory, O Krishna, nor pleasures nor kingdoms. Of what avail is a dominion? Of what avail is a dominion to us, O Krishna, or pleasures, or even life? Yeshamarthe kangshitam no rajyam bhogasukhani cha ta ime avastita yuddhe prana mastyaktva cha. Those for whose sake we desire kingdoms, enjoyments and pleasures, stand here in battle, having renounced life and wealth. Acharya pitara putrastadaiva cha pitamaha matulashvashura pautra Shyala sambandhinastata. Teachers, fathers, sons, and also grandfathers, grandsons, father-in-law, maternal uncles, brothers-in-law, and relatives. Etannahantumichhami Ghanadhobi Madhusudana Abhitrailokya Rajyasya Hedo Kimnu Mahikrite. These I do not wish to kill, though they kill me. O Krishna, even for the sake of dominion over the three worlds, leave alone killing them for the sake of the earth. Nihatyadartarashtrana ka priti syajanardana papam eva shrayedasman hatvaitana tatainaha. By killing the sons of Dhritarashtra, what pleasure? can be ours, O Janardana. Only sin will accrue by killing these felons. तस्मान्नार्हव्यवयं हन्तुं धार्तराष्ट्रान् स्वबान्धवान् स्वजनं हि कथं हत्वा सुखिनः माधवा. Therefore, we should not kill the sons of Dhritarashtra, our relatives. For how can we be happy by killing our own people, O Madhava, Krishna? Yadyapyete pashyanti lobopahata chetasah kulakshaya kritam dosham mitradrohe cha patakam. Though they, with intelligence overpowered by greed, see no evil in the destruction of families and no sin in hostility to friends. Katham na jneyam papadasman nivartitum kulakshaya kritam dosham prabhashyat Janardana. Why should not we, who clearly see evil in the destruction of a family, learn to turn away from this sin, O Janardana, Krishna? Commentary. Ignorance of the law is no excuse, and wanton, sinful conduct is a crime unworthy of knowledgeable people. Kulakshaye pranashyanti kuladharma sanatana dharme nashte kulam kritsnam adharmo abhibhavatyuta. In the destruction of a family, the immemorial religious rites of that family perish. On the destruction of spirituality, impiety overcomes the whole family. Commentary. Dharma pertains to the duties and ceremonies practiced by the family in accordance with scriptural injunctions. Adharma bhibhavat Krishna pradushyanti kulastriyaha strishu dushtasu varshneya jayate varna sankaraha. By prevalence of impiety, O Krishna, the women of the family become corrupt, and women becoming corrupted, O Varshneya, descendant of Vrishni, there arises intermingling of castes. Shankaro narakayaiva kulagnanam kulasya cha patanti pitaro hesham lupta pindodaka kriya. Confusion of castes leads to hell, the slayers of the family, for their forefathers fall, deprived of the offerings of rice ball and water. Doshairetai kulagnanam varna sangarakarai utsatyante jati dharma kuladharmascha shashvataha. By these evil deeds of the destroyers of the family, which cause confusion of castes, the eternal religious rites of the caste and the family are destroyed. Utsanna kuladharmanam manushyanam janardana नरगे नियतं वासो bhavatītyanushushruma. We have heard, O Janardana, that inevitable is the dwelling for an unknown period in hell for those men in whose family the religious practices have been destroyed. Aho bata mahat pabam kartum yavasita vayam yadrajya sukhalobena handum swajanamudyata. Alas, we are involved in a great sin in that we are prepared to kill our kinsmen through greed for the pleasures of kingdom. Yadi mam aparatikaram ashastram shastrapanayah dhartarashtrarane hanyus tanme kshemataram bhavet. If the sons of Dhritarashtra with weapons in hand should slay me in battle, unresisting and unarmed, that would be better for me. Sanjaya uvacha eva muktvarjuna sankhe ratopastau bhavishad visrajya saharam visrajya sasharam chapam shokasam viknamanasaha. Sanjaya said, having thus spoken in the midst of the battlefield, Arjuna, casting away his bow and arrow, sat down on the seat of the chariot with his mind overwhelmed with sorrow. Hari Om Tat Satiti Srimad Bhagavad Gita Supanishatsu Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastre Sri Krishna Arjuna Samvade Arjuna Vishada Yogo Nama Pradhamodhyayaha. Thus, in the Upanishads of the glorious Bhagavad Gita, the science of the eternal, the scripture of yoga, the dialogue between Sri Krishna and Arjuna, ends the first discourse titled The Yoga of the Despondency of Arjuna.